Alright, welcome to a new video about a web app that I have developed. This app can be used to track your daily tasks and see your progress. First I'll go over how to use it, and then I'll try to explain some technical parts, like the tech stack and other dev stuff. To use the app, you will need an account. I added the option to create a guest account, in case you want to experiment with the app first. But if you want to use it and store your stats, you should create a Google account. To showcase the app, I'll go ahead and create a new guest account. After you sign in, you will see the dashboard screen, which contains your daily habits, which you can easily mark as done or not done by clicking on them. I guess this is pretty straightforward. So let me show you how to edit these tasks. First, you have to click on the profile icon in the top right corner. This will bring you to the account details. Here you can edit, delete or add new habits from the list. I put some emojis on them because it looks nicer, but it is not required. After you are done with editing, click on the habit tracker text in the top left, and this will bring you back to the dashboard. And now you can check your new habits. As I said, the app is pretty simple. So now I'll go over the technical part. The tech stack that I used is fuck it. I saw some Fireship videos and wanted to try it out, and I can say that it was pretty simple to finish the application. As you might have guessed, I created the app using svelte. This was one of my first apps written in Svelte, so I wanted to use this as an opportunity to learn something new. And what I can say is that it felt a bit difficult at first to start off and get used to the new syntax, but afterwards it was pretty easy to add new features and finally finish the app in like one day or something. Also, the documentation is pretty good and it had a lot of examples that helped me write some components. For the CSS and styling, I used Tailwind and Daisy UI, and I think that Daisy UI is pretty good if you are working with Svelte or any other web framework. And since I'm not really a front-end developer, it was really nice to have something like Daisy UI to easily have components ready to use in code. Then for the backend of the application, I wanted to use Firebase, which is part of the Fuckit stack. And yeah, I guess it's not really much to say here. It was really simple to set it up. You just have to set up the authentication service and allow anonymous users and Google users to sign in. And then I stored all the data in the Firestore database. And what I stored there was like the tasks and the completion information of each user. And finally, I have deployed the app to Vercel, and yeah, I think that Vercel is a good option if you want to deploy something simple made in React or Svelte or any other framework that's supported here. So yeah, basically this is the application. And if you want to use it, you are free to try it out with the guest account, play around with it, see if you find any bugs. And yeah, after you are done with playing around as the guest account, you can sign out and then create an account with your Google account and then keep track of your tasks. So yeah, thank you for watching.